Comparative analysis of depreciation methods. Total charge against profit and loss account. The total charge against profit and loss account in relation to depreciation and repairing cost increases later in straight line method, whereas in written down value method, depreciation charge reduces in later years. Recognition by income tax law. Straight line method is not accepted by income tax law, whereas written down value method is accepted by income tax law. Suitability. Straight line method is suitable for assets like trademarks, copyright in which repair expenses are less, whereas written down value is suitable for assets that are affected by technological changes. Methods of recording depreciation. There are two types of methods to record depreciation transactions. Charging depreciation to asset account. In this, the amount of depreciation is deducted from the depreciable cost of assets and charged to profit and loss account. The entries in the journal would be entry for purchase of assets, assets account, debit, to vendors or bank account. Entry for deducting depreciation from cost of assets, depreciation account, debit, to assets account. Entry for charging depreciation to profit and loss account, profit and loss account, debit, to depreciation account. In balance sheet, the assets will appear after deducting depreciation from the cost of assets. Creating provision for depreciation account. In this method, a separate account called as depreciation provision account is created to adjust depreciation. The entries that would happen in journal account would be for recording purchase of assets only in the year when assets is purchased, assets account debit to bank or vendor account. For crediting depreciation amount to provision for depreciation account debit to provision for depreciation account. For charging depreciation to profit and loss account debit to depreciation account. In the balance sheet, the fixed assets will appear at its original cost and provision for depreciation would be shown under liability side by deducted from the cost of assets.
For more such videos on all subjects, practice questions and a lot more, download iPrep and learn unlimited.